Hello. Today I'll show you a powerful IELTS and CEFR exam simulator. This is a web application that will help you prepare for real tests in conditions as close as possible to the real ones. We'll go through all sections: listening, reading, writing and speaking. The system supports three formats: IELTS General, IELTS Academic and CEFR levels B1 to C1. The main feature is realistic timers, automatic answer checking and voice recording through a microphone. Let's go! On the main screen, we are greeted by a minimalist but stylish cyber-style design. This is not just a picture, there are live animations and particles here, creating the atmosphere of an advanced testing system. We see three large cards for exam selection: IELTS General, IELTS Academic, and CEFR UZB Standard, levels B1 to C1. Under each exam, the time for each section is indicated. Click on any card to go to the skill selection. Once inside, we see four modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Each module loads unique tests, so the questions are always different. Let's go in order and see how each one works. Moving on to the listening section. Timer. A timer is displayed at the top. For IELTS, it counts down 30 minutes, and for CEFR, 45 minutes. The time is running, just like in a real exam. Audio. The audio plays automatically. Types of questions. All types of tasks are presented here: fill in the blanks, multiple choice, matching, for example, matching speakers with their statements, and table or flowchart completion. Checking. After listening, you have time to transfer your answers. Click Submit and save answers. The system automatically calculates the correct answers and converts them into an IELTS Band Score from 0 to 9, or a CEFR T-score from 0 to 75. The next section is reading. Here we work with long texts and answer questions. For IELTS Academic and General, classic texts with question types such as true, false, not given, matching headings, and short answers. For CEFR, the structure is more complex, with 5 parts, each with its own type of tasks. For example, in Part 3 you need to match headings to paragraphs, and in Part 4, answer questions based on the text. Score calculation. After clicking the Submit button, the system again counts the correct answers and displays the result. For IELTS, it is converted to a band score, and for CEFR, to a T-score and level, such as C1, B2 or B1. Important: all answers and results can be downloaded as a file to save your test history. Moving on to writing. This is the most challenging module for automatic assessment, so here we focus on making writing comfortable and providing a word counter. Task 1. In Academic, it is a description of a graph or diagram. A zoom function for images has been added, allowing you to enlarge the picture to see the details. In General, it is writing a letter. Task 2. An essay on a given topic. Word counter. Under each input field, there is a progress bar that shows how many words you have already written. As soon as you reach the minimum threshold, 150 and 250 words, the progress turns green. Integration with artificial intelligence is a key feature for analytics. Written responses are checked by artificial intelligence to provide expert, detailed feedback. For all 3 types of exams, there is an AI analysis button. When you click it, written work is evaluated by artificial intelligence for detailed assessment across 4 criteria: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. The system assigns scores and provides constructive recommendations. You get advanced AI analytics that makes the learning process personalized and effective. Saving it upon submission, you download your answer as a file so you can later show it to your teacher or analyze it. And finally, speaking. This is the most technically advanced part. Part 1. Questions appear one by one. The system automatically plays an audio file with the question, just like in a real exam, and then automatically starts recording your answer from the microphone. Part 2. You see a task card. First, there is 1 minute for preparation with a timer counting down and then automatically begins 2 minutes of your monologue. The timer turns red when time is running out. Part 3, a discussion with an examiner, simulation. Again, audio questions and automatic recording of your answers. Video recording, while you speak, a camera window appears in the top right corner of the screen. You see yourself, and the system records both video and audio. The window can be dragged and resized. Integration with artificial intelligence is a key feature for analytics. The user's speech is recognized through artificial intelligence and displayed in real time, providing speech-to-text functionality. The transcript is automatically saved as a file. Critically important, the system tracks question changes and saves answers separately for each question to avoid duplication. AI analysis. At the end of the test, there is a submit button. The entire package of transcripts is checked by artificial intelligence for comprehensive analysis. The AI evaluates responses across for criteria, fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. The system provides a detailed report, including an overall band score and personalized recommendations. You get advanced AI analytics that makes the learning process personalized and effective. Downloading. After completing the test, all your audio answers are downloaded as separate files, and the entire session, including the camera video, is saved as one large file. Perfect for self-assessment. This simulator is perfect for self-study because it simulates not only the questions, but also the stress factor, the timer, and interactivity, such as interacting with the microphone and camera. Thank you for watching. If you want to try this simulator or use it for your own projects, message me on Telegram or call my phone number.